Welcome to the island born of fire, Camiguin. Hello mga beshies! So nandito po tayo ngayon sa Camiguin Island. So this is my first time here and since nag-birthday ako, ito yung birthday trip ko, regalo ko sa sarili ko. Kasi ito talaga actually yung probinsya na matagal ko nang gustong puntahan. Well, syempre, ang first ko is Batanes pero hindi pa ako nakapunta doon. And then this one, yung Camiguin. So ito yung second sa bucket list ko. So yun, I went here solo. So I have 2 days to do the tour. So today, more on waterfalls and then yung ibang tourist spots ang lilibutin natin. And then tomorrow, mag-island hopping naman tayo. So tara, samahan niyo ako at libutin natin ang isla ng Camiguin.
Camiguin is a pear-shaped island in the northern tip of Mindanao. It is known as the island born of fire due to the volcanic eruptions that has formed the island. Mga 7 volcanoes lang naman na nakapalibot dito mga besh. And one famous volcano here is the Mount Hibok-Hibok that is still considered as active. Oops! You may rent a van or multicab in getting around Camiguin. Or if you are a solo traveler like me, you may also consider availing a habal-habal tour. You may check out my description box below for more details. The island has a number of beautiful beaches and waterfalls that you can visit. Tara na mga besh! Ikot na tayo!
So we are actually here at the walkway to the old volcano where we can do Stations of the Cross. So, ayun. Hinihingal na naman po ako. Gusto ko sanang tapusin sa totoo lang pero ayoko na pong umakyat, napapagod na ako. So babalik na lang po ako doon sa baba para makaproceed na ako sa next destination namin. Second stop is the Soda Swimming Pool.
Soda swimming pool is also a great place to swim. There are faucets here where you can taste the soda water. Medyo malalim nga lang yung tubig for kids ha. Old Catarman Church ruins was destroyed when Mount Vulcan erupted. Wala naman masyadong iikutan dito kasi maliit lang yung place. But this is still worth visiting. Tuwasan Falls is a 25-high strong waterfall. Napakasarap din mag-swimming at mag-picture-picture dito mga besh. After a long, hot day, this cold spring is the perfect remedy mga besh. Sobrang linaw at lamig ng tubig dito, besh. Whew! Next stop is the Sunken Cemetery. When Mount Vulcan erupted, it has caused the cemetery to sink below sea level. At ang malaking krus na nakikita nyo became the cemetery's famous marker. This place is one of the most photographed spots here in the province. White Island is a powdery white sandbar here in Camiguin. Make sure to put some sunblock mga besh, kasi walang sisilungan dito. unless you rent an umbrella. Ang sarap din mag-swimming dito kasi the water is crystal clear. Set at the foot of Mount Hibok-Hibok is the Arden Hot Spring. This is the most popular thermal pool here in the island. Napakasarap mag-swimming dito. Nakaka-relax talaga mga besh. In just a few minutes of walking, ay masisilayan mo na ang ganda ng Katipuwasan Falls.
And I am here at Katipuwasan Waterfalls.
The place is surrounded by rocks and trees. At as expected, napakalamig din ng tubig dito mga besh. Hindi ko na nga kinaya mag-swimming so ayan, picture-picture na lang. Mantigui Island is a white sandy beach that is perfect for snorkeling and scuba diving. Since we don't have much time to snorkel, me and the people I met here have decided to ride a glass boat instead. Ang saya nito, promise! Para na din ako nag-snorkeling kasi ang dami kong nakitang underwater creatures. The Giant Clam Sanctuary is the home to hundreds of giant clams of various sizes.
Hala ka!
Ayan si sir. Ayaw pa ng lalaki.
Hala!
Ayan ang sakit. Huwag mo nang ipit. Maulog. Hindi ako lagi ba?
If you want to take a closer look at the giant clams, then you may try snorkeling. Hindi ko nga lang yan nagawa due to limited time. This is the beehive. Pagpasok mo pa lang ay mapapawaw ka na sa ganda ng interiors nito na made of driftwood. Sa sobrang sarap tumambay dito, ay dito lang naman ako tumambay for 2 days after ng mga tours ko. If you are a coffee lover, then this is the place to be.
5 seconds lang? So I've been to Davao twice, but this is the first time that I'm going to eat durian. So masarap naman siya, pero medyo weird lang. Saka mabaho. And that's it for today mga besh. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Buyers!
Next on On I Says!